It was a beautiful morning in the forest. The bear was ready for a peaceful day. But, with Masha around, peaceful days never last long.
What's that noise?
Good morning, Bear. Guess what? Today, I'm doing absolutely nothing. Yup, no cleaning, no games, no running. I'm having a lazy day. There, my perfect lazy spot. Being lazy is hard work. My back hurts already. Hey, too loud. Lazy people need quiet. Maybe I'll just lie here a little longer. Okay, fine, that's cute. Hey, what's going on? I can't rest with all this work happening around me. Oh no, I'm too lazy today. My beautiful flower, don't worry, I'll save you.
And just like that, Masha forgot all about being lazy.
You know, Bear, lazy days are boring. Working is more fun, especially when you help your friends. Yay, reward time!
And so, Masha learned that being lazy might sound fun, but helping others and staying active is what makes the day truly sweet.
Remember, friends, don't be lazy like me, or at least not every day.
Ha ha!